So for this video, we're going to show you how to do a battery change on the Cobot. In our drop-down menu, I'm going to pull up Zero Program. I'm going to call that up on the tablet, hit cycle start, and move it back to our zero position. It's not something that's required. It's just a good safety feature, just in case you happen to lose power during the battery change. This way you won't have to remaster the robot. When changing the batteries on the Cobot, you must make sure that the control power stays on. Do not turn the control power off when changing the batteries. So now that we have the robot in its zero position with the control power on, first thing you do is you take off this cover. The batteries are located behind this cover. For this, I'm using a 3mm T-handle wrench. Now, in addition to the screws, there's a gasket behind this cover. Sometimes it'll come off. Sometimes you have to give it a light tap with a rubber mallet to break that seal. Our two batteries are located right here behind this case, this little shield. And to get to it, we use a 2.5mm T-handle wrench. Take these 4 screws out, hold that cover. Be careful not to drop these down inside. And then from here, we pull the cover and the batteries out. And then, so to change these batteries out, you press in on this little center tab, pull it straight out. And then to install the new batteries, you reverse the process. Push it until it clicks. Back in their cover. So it looks something like this. And then these batteries will snap into these little holders here on the robot. We reinstall the 4 2.5mm screws using our T-handle. Make sure that the screws are snug down. You don't need to over tighten them. Using our 3mm T-handle, we will reinstall the cover. Make sure that the area is clear of any nicks or debris. Make sure your seal is in good condition. And reinstall the cover. Tighten them all down till they're snug. You don't need to over tighten them. Okay. Cover is back on. After the battery change, you'll get a message on the tablet like this. Simply hit OK. You should be able to hit reset, and you're back in business.